I have to apologize for the audio in this video, but it's pretty good, so stick around, and it's gonna be fun. Today we're playing Fate of the Empress, and I know what you're thinking. Tinny, why are you playing shitty mobile games? This is not a shitty mobile game. This is actually really, really good graphics for being a mobile game, I think. It's really well made, and we're gonna go on this beautiful journey that I created for all of you. So, let's dive in. Let's just do it. I did something really interesting, so I'm gonna pick the spring blossom. Wait, what? Why did my face change? That's so unfair. Okay, just hold on. I'm just gonna pick this one because I really like this one. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go to my cousin, I guess. So we're just gonna go do this. See, this is a cutscene, right? I look so stunning. Wait, what did you say? Okay. I will make a joke. Thank you. I guess.
少爷，小姐又在发脾气了，还摔了老爷的瓷瓶。少爷，这可怎么办呢？
别担心，你先下去收拾吧，我来处理。
Okay.
是涵儿。
小涵的故事。
What did my voice sound like that? Go in. There's me. There's me. It's just so stupid. Mars attacks alien looking.
将来会给我寻一门好婚事，一生一世一双人的那种。
Okay, so she's just okay. I'm skipping that because she's just talking about how she's worried about her getting married off. So big day. Ecstasy, like the drug. Okay. I like the cutscenes though. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty impressive. My eye's coming off of my face. My right eye. Did you see that? Oh, she's a mobile. No, mobile. She's a noble consort now. I said consort instead of concubine. If I said concubine, this would have been my bit.
Your Majesty. Well, she became a concubine. I must give her my blessings.
That would have been hilarious if I said the right stupid thing. I'm sorry. That's really bad. That was really bad voice acting. I'm sorry. Now this is how you voice act.
My precious power ring, gone forever.
I rest my case. Gosh, I'm having a It's okay, don't cry. That's don't cry in Martian. Oh
电梯
God.
已经开出